ready with me. Spend a day with me cleaning my house, my casita. So as of right now, don't come here and judge. Right now I'm gonna clean my messy side of the room. It's just, little stuff here and there. But like I said, do not judge, because y'all gonna see me clean my room, the bathroom, and the kitchen. So keep watching. Welcome to part 2, cleaning my backyard with me, y'all. Don't forget, part 3 will be cleaning my kitchen, and then I'll be done with this vlog. I know y'all gonna be tired, be like, oh my god, Beyonce's doing too much vlogs. But mind you, cleaning my backyard today was not for the weak, y'all. It was really hot one. 2, it was a lot of leaves that didn't want to get picked up, bro. But I hope y'all enjoy this mini vlog, because your girl not probably ever doing backyard cleaning ever again. But yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't play. Hello.